तलवार की नोक पर या एटम बॉम्ब के डर से कोई हमारे देश को झुकाना चाहे, दबाना चाहे, ये देश हमारा दबने वाला नहीं।
बड़े और संपन्न घरों में ही जन्म लेने से कोई व्यक्ति महान नहीं होता। व्यक्ति महान बनता है अपने कर्मों से, देश सेवा और बलिदान से। इतिहास के पन्नों पे भरे पड़े हैं अनेक महापुरुषों की गाथा से, जिन्होंने साधारण परिवार में जन्म लेकर अपनी सत्यनिष्ठा, निस्वार्थ सेवा और दृढ़ निश्चय से अनेक ऊंचाइयों को कीर्तिमान बनाया और नया इतिहास रचा। 2 अक्टूबर 1904 एक ऐसा पावन दिन था जब 2 महापुरुषों ने हमारे देश में जन्म लेकर हमारी मातृभूमि को पवित्र और शुद्ध किया था। एक के नाम से तो आप सभी वाकिफ़ हैं, महात्मा गांधी, पर बहुत ही कम लोग हैं जो दूसरे को याद करते हैं। लोगों के मन से उनका नाम कुछ धुंधला सा हो गया है। अगर आप अभी भी इन्हें नहीं पहचान पाए तो बता दें कि महात्मा गांधी के समान विचार रखने वाले लाल बहादुर शास्त्री भारतीय संस्कृति की श्रेष्ठ पहचान है।
ये कहावत अनेक बार सिद्ध हो चुकी है कि गुदरी में छुपे लालू का प्रकाश कई अंधेरे को दूर कर सूर्य के सामने प्रकाश फैलाता है। माटी की कई लाल भारत के सपूत इतिहास पर अपना नाम दर्ज कर चुके हैं। ऐसा ही एक महान विभूति का नाम है लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, जिनकी कृति, जिनका जय घोष जय जवान जय किसान आने वाले अनेक पीढ़ियों को अपने आदर्शों पर चलने की प्रेरणा देता रहेगा।
Exactly 35 years after Gandhi ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji was born. He didn't just follow his birthday, he followed his principles as well. He was short, just 5 feet tall, but he was not short-sighted. He saw that a name is just a tag that traces our caste, and caste leads to discrimination. India as a country had bigger problems to worry about. That's why he dropped his last name.
He was just Lal Bahadur. Shastri came afterwards. Shastri means scholarly degree from Kashi Vishwavidhalaya in ethics and philosophy. But not on just paper. When he was the transport minister UP, he started employing more women in this industry. He said, "Why can't women be conductors?"
He wasn't a man with power who never abuses with power. In 1964, he became the second Prime Minister of India when we needed him the most. In 1965, we were at war against Pakistan. When they attacked, he knew that there was no time to talk. He kept our Gandhitva aside and he did what was necessary. He gave the military the freedom they needed and he reacted more aggressively through our army.
We were successful in winning the war. Moreover, we went inside Lahore where the UN had to intervene and then the war was taken off.
White Revolution, that's because of him. Green Revolution, that's because of him.
The slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan emphasizes that the soldier and the farmers are the crucial pillars of our country. They were given the status that they deserved. When the nation did not have enough of food, he asked his family to skip a meal, and it's not just his family sitting at home. He requested the entire nation to do so. More importantly, they listened. The entire nation skipped one meal every week because we were at war. People who could afford food chose to let go of. We had that sense, we had that unity. We as the people of country acted as a part of the family.
With him as a head, why are we missing this feeling today? Why are we not united like that today, from joining the Indian freedom struggle as a teenager to successfully curbing the 1947 riots and becoming the second and the most honest Prime Minister this country has ever seen? He served as the Prime Minister for less than 2 years before he died a very suspicious death, just one day after signing the peace treaty with Pakistan.
दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी का दूसरा प्रधानमंत्री ताशकंद जाता है, वॉर ट्रीटी पर साइन करता है और मर जाता है। सैकड़ों सस्पिशंस होते हैं, लेकिन एक इंक्वायरी कमीशन भी नहीं बैठता है।
Was it a heart attack or was it a state-sponsored murder?
बहादुर शास्त्री का केस हिंदुस्तान का सबसे बड़ा कवर अप है।
Only if we had him for longer, the Indian economy would have been stronger. He wanted to open our economy 30 years before it actually did. We would have been 30 years ahead in terms of money and ages ahead in terms of unity. Only if he lived longer.
जी आप जैसा कोई नहीं।